Selecting one row involves the two steps shown on the screen. For instance, to select row 3, first, I position the mouse cursor on row 3. This action changes the mouse cursor to a black arrow pointing to the right. Second, I click the row header and the whole row gets highlighted, which means that the row is selected. Selecting several rows involves the 3 steps shown on the screen. For instance, to select rows 2, 3, and 4, first, I position the mouse cursor on row 2. This action changes the mouse cursor to a black arrow pointing to the right. Second, I press the left button of the mouse and keep it pressed while moving the mouse up to select rows above or down to select rows below. You can see that as I move the mouse, the rows get highlighted. I narrow my selection to rows 2, 3, and 4 only. Finally, I release the left button of the mouse. As a result, the selected rows get highlighted, which means that the rows are now selected.
Hi there! You've landed at the right place because we have what you need to transform you from an Excel novice to an Excel guru at your workplace in no time. Don't waste time and sign up for the free Excel tutorial today. Take a chance and enjoy your journey to a better life. Sign up at www.excelatwork.org.